Hey guys, it's Jessica Rosemary if you're new here. If not, welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today we are partnering up with Vooglam glasses, and their slogan is born to be unique. They really do live up to their slogan. All of their pieces are unique and different in their own way. Right now is the best time to shop at Vooglam. They have free shipping over $59. They also have buy one frame and get the other 50% off. So I think it's legit the best time to shop at Vooglam. So first things first, all your glasses come in this one packaging here. The package is orange, and on the box it has their slogan, which is, like I stated earlier, born to be unique. In the packaging comes your eyeglass cloth. This is to help wipe your frames if you get your fingerprint on it, or just any type of smudge on your frame. An RD ruler and a card with a promotion on it for your next future order will come in your package as well. So now let's get right into the frame. So all your glasses will come in this baggie as well. It's a cloth material and it has drawstrings to pull in together. The first frames that I have is Denitsa. It's this black frame. It's a full rim squared, and this is like, I want to say, your basic everyday wear. This is how the frames look like on me, and I love it. Personally, I would wear this frame every day. I made sure I took advantage of the services that Vooglam has to offer, and they offer blue light blocking, and it basically blocks out blue light. So I made sure that I add the blue light blocking to this frame because I know I'm going to wear this every day. And blue light is basically recommended for people who are always on their phone or technology in general. I definitely need this because I do work on my computer a lot. I'm always editing, always doing things for YouTube, so this came in clutch. So yeah, this frame is black everywhere. It's pretty light on your face, so I have no complaint with like how heavy the frame is. You guys can see for yourself as to why I would consider this your everyday glasses wear. So the next frame I have is West, and I got this frame in a champagne color. This is a full rim butterfly shaped glasses, and this frame is extremely lightweight. And you guys may think this frame looks light. It is light. So this part of this glasses is a light pink type of color. The bottom half is a bit transparent. Your frame itself has this like champagne tint to it, so I believe that's why they named this champagne, because of the actual lens. So when you place the glasses on, you see like that little cute champagne yellowish tint to it, and I think that's pretty dope. Mabelane is the third frame, and it's actually my favorite frame in this entire haul. I just love this aesthetic. This is like a vintage old school aesthetic. So I got this in the color turquoise, and it comes with this polka dotted black and white aesthetic going on here, that cookie and cream look, and I love this. I think this frame is so stylish, so playful. You can literally throw on your basic outfit, put this frames on, and it can take your look to another level. I just love this look. It does a lot without doing too much. This frame makes you stand out. Out of this whole entire haul, this frame is my top pick. So the next frame I got is Delgado. It does come in a brown frame, and the sides of the frame are transparent. It's like this transparent brown. The front as well it has like this specific design where it's like slanted, as you guys can see, but the slants are like transparent. That is pretty fire. This is a full rim rectangle shaped glasses, and I think these glasses are actually perfect for everyday wear. They're more on the simple side, but they're unique, which is a plus for people who don't want to look too basic. All the frames that I have in this entire haul, they are all like my favorite picks. I don't have one frame that I don't like. I feel like I can wear all these frames every day and like make it work. Even the most basic ones, even the most basic frames, you can still dress up with it or look cute, look stylish. So my final frame is Denicia. It's this blue full rim rectangular shaped glasses. So it's legit like rectangular shape, and this is super lightweight as well, super comfortable. And the front of the frame is the transparent end. See the transparency that I'm talking about? The side of the frame are not transparent, and they do come with these super cute designs, which is just 2 white stripes on top of the blue. Like, are you kidding? This is like super cute. Wow, this is super cute, and it's like not doing too much, and that's what I'm all about. Being cute and not doing too much. That's me. Vooglam has hit it on the nail. Vooglam understand the assignment. Another pro that I can say about Vooglam glasses, they have all type of styles. So if you have like a much louder style, definitely check out their website. They have so much variety. It was so hard for me to pick from. I am a super basic but stylish girl, so I did pick out glasses that were a bit on the chill side. Before we wrap up today's video, I do have a discount code for my subscribers. Use code JJRR for 15% off your online purchase, so you could look stylish like me. So that is it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below what frame was your favorite. Mine was Mabelane. It's just playful. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.